Hi, kindergarten friends. For this lesson, let's work on our double 10 frame. So how many dots do you see in the top row? If it's all filled, it should be 10, right? So 10. How many in the bottom row? 4. How many all together? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Let's try the next card. How many dots do you see? How many in the top row? 10. How many in the bottom row? 1. How much does that make in all? 11. 10, 11. How many in the top row? 10. How many in the bottom row? 3. How many in all? 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. How many do you see here? How many in the top row? 10. How many in the bottom row? I'm going to show you a different strategy. So this is the halfway point. So halfway is 5. So 5 and 3 more is 8. So there's 10 in the top, 8 in the bottom. How many all together? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay. How many in the top row? 10. How many in the bottom row? It's to the halfway point, so that's 5. 10 and 5 is 15. Okay, let's try this one. How many in the top row? 10. How many in the bottom row? 5, and then one more is 6. So watch me count now. 10, 15, 16. Let's try that again. 10, 15, 16. This one's easy. How many dots do you see? 10. How many dots do you see here? 10, 11, 12. Okay. How many dots do you see here? 10. I'm going to count 5 more because I see the halfway line. So 10, 15, 16, 17. Let's try that again. I know it's tricky. 10, 15, 16, 17. If our double 10 frame is full, how many is that all together? 10, 20. Okay. And for my last card, if 1 is missing, I already know that's 19 because 1 less than 20 is 19, but I can double check to make sure. So count with me. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, now we're gonna work with the number line that we created last time. In my last lesson, we had the cat jump forward, okay? So I brought cat out again and the same dice, but this time cat is gonna start at 10 and we're gonna go backwards. We're gonna see if we can land right at 1, okay? So if I start on 10 and I hop backwards 2 times, what number am I gonna land on? 1, 2, landing on 8. 10 take away 2 is 8. Okay. If I jump backwards 1, what number am I gonna land on? 7. Okay. I jump backwards one more time. 6. Can I jump backwards if I land on 0? No, so I'm gonna try and roll the dice again. Still 0. 2. So 6, and I jump backwards 2 times, or 6 take away 2, gets me to 4. Oops. I landed on 1. So 4 take away 1 is 3. If I roll a 2, I will get to number 1. So let's see if I can roll a 2. I did. So if I hop backwards 2 more times, 1, 2, and I landed on 1. Let's try that one more time from 10. Okay. Oh, 10 take away 1, or jumping backwards 1 time, lands on 9. If I take away 2 from 9, or jump backwards 2 times, what will I land on? 7. Jump backwards 2 times, 5. Can't go anywhere if I land on 0. Still 0. Okay. 5. Jumping backwards 1 time lands me on 4. 3. If I roll a 2, I will land on 1 again. Let's see if I can do it. Did I do it? So let's try that again. 3, take away 2, or jumping backwards 2 times will get me to 1. So after this lesson, you can take out your number line. You can use anything. You don't have to use a cat to jump on your number line. It can be anything you want to use. And then take out your 0 to 2 dice and practice jumping backwards on the number line today. I'll see you later, kindergarten friends. Adios, amigos.